Hi, I'm Vince Casella. I'm a welding instructor here at the Lincoln Electric Company. Today I want to show you how to adjust the display settings on our new Viking 3350 ADV Welding Helmet. The display settings feature allows us to fully customize our display settings to our preference, which consists of brightness, screensaver, sleep timer, language, date, clock mode, time, and time zone. First, press Enter to start the user interface. Press Menu button to display Main Menu display. Use down arrow to scroll display settings. Press Enter to select the display settings. Use the up and down arrows to scroll through the different display settings. Press Enter on the desired display setting that you wish to modify.